Start off with, I'm just greasing this cake tin. Then we need to prep these plums. So we basically want to be halving them. So we'll just go around till we've got us halves. And then we'll take that heart at centre. So now we've greased that tin, we're going to put these plums all around edge. I've got 60 grams of butter and we're going to put that in a saucepan. And to that I'm adding 100 grams of sugar. And you can use white or brown, that's up to you. And then on a low heat we're going to dissolve this butter and sugar together. But make sure it is on a low heat or you're going to burn it. If you're cooking this in your oven, then you want to preheat your oven to 160. While that liquid's still warm, we're just going to drizzle it in between all those plums. And again, we'll pop that to one side. Now we'll make that cake mixture. That's 240 grams of sugar and 230 grams of butter. And we're just going to cream that together. Then I'm adding 3 eggs. Then I'm going to add 240 grams of self-raising flour and I'll just sieve that in there. Then I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then finally a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to mix that. So now we can add that to his cake tin. I'll just give that a bang, just to settle that mixture, and we'll get that cooked. And that's been set for 30 minutes on 160, and I'll come back and check it. Well, that's been going for 30 minutes, and it looks like it's coming along nicely. So I've added an extra 10 minutes to that cooking time, just to make sure that cake's done. There you go. It's looking alright to me, so let's cook that for a little bit longer. It is nice and spongy though. In total that took 45 minutes and it's definitely done. So we'll let that cool down before we attempt to get it out of that tin. Moment of truth. I'm going to go around edge of this cake with a knife just to loosen it off a little bit before we try and turn it out. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it's come out alright. If you want to see what other recipes I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I look forward to seeing you then. Take care.